Can I change my German tourist visa, visiting visa, into a resident or working visa? You know, so many people have been asking me this question. If they could be able to turn their tourist visa into a working visa in Germany. I don't think it's possible in Germany. Now, as a tourist, you got that visa in order to go to that country on a purpose, just as a visitor. It's just a period of time, and you're going to go back to your country. And as a tourist, you are not permitted to officially work in that country or to engage in any social benefit or whatever. That's why sometimes they ask you to have a health insurance while traveling, because you are not living in that country, you are not contributing to the welfare, you are not paying tax into that country. Now, in Germany, there are many ways to secure visa. Secure your stay, even as a tourist. One, if you come as a tourist and you want to, stay back, you have to go through asylum procedure, always known as ADRO. This asylum procedure, you are going to tell the government why you left your country, what brought you here. And the asylum is mainly on political issues, like your life is in danger in your country or where you are living, that the police, they are not able to protect you and the government are after you. That is the main purpose of that asylum. However, because of economic situation, people from third world countries are moving out, which is normal. Now, in Germany, we have, let me tell you the few ways I know. One of them is getting married. If you get married to a German or any person, somebody that have, document, I think from indefinite or the passport, you are entitled to get the document here. If you got married to a man, a woman, or people from other Schengen states or something like that, you are entitled to get your document. And marriage is always from 3 years. If you can be able to live with that man or that woman for the period of 3 years without problem, in particular the same house or something like that, you are entitled to get German passport and the unbefristed, that's the indefinite permanent resident, and the passport as well. You are entitled for that. But that man or that woman have to sign. If the man or the woman you got married to didn't sign, you won't get it. So you have to be 3 years with that person before you can be able to get your passport. But once that marriage is pronounced, you are entitled to get 1 year or 2 years or 3 years the document. That is how number one way of getting document. Another one is having children, baby. That's why you see so many people have children. Once you have baby with somebody who have document, you are entitled to get that document. If you have a baby with somebody who have document, but if you end up having a baby with somebody who doesn't have a document, it might take donkey years before you can be able to get documents, and you can be deported as well. Another one is people that have terminal problems, sicknesses, sickness that cannot be treated in your country, like like HIV, cancer, and so forth and so on, kidney problem. I think you are entitled to get the document. Another one is people that tell them confirmed stories that have a taproot. Why did you come here? If you can be able to convince them that you come here based on the problem you have back home, because they're going to ask you a question, why did you leave your country? So, but those ones are just 10% or 2%. But that his case might be now, so many people are getting documents by going to school. We call it hospital here. Just like acquiring skills, it's always a 3 years course. You can become a nurse, you can become a carpenter, you can become a, a mechanic or something of that nature. So, but it's not a guarantee, but at least you have 70% of getting documents through going to school, because they have invested in you. You are no longer a liability, rather you are going to work and contribute to the growth of the economy. So there are tendency for your lawyer to rely on this thing and fight for your stay. So people also got documents through that way. However, in Germany, once you come here as an asylum person, if you register with the government in ADRO, you are entitled to work. In most cities, you are entitled to work. You can as well earn more than somebody who is having German passport. Yeah, you can live your normal life. You can also have your driving license. Though I think from 4 years or something like that, you can have your driving license. You can live large, even as somebody who is in ADRO. But the point remains that you can be deported, or they can ask you to stop work. So people that are asking me if they can be able to convert their tourist visa into a normal visa like the way they do it in Dubai or some other places. No, it doesn't work like that in Germany. Once you come as a tourist and your visa got expired here, you are now going to be under the government. They are going to decide your fate. You no longer have the power or say of your own. You're going to start looking for a way out, either to get married or looking for somebody that will have baby for you, or trying to navigate your way into going to school. There are other ways people come officially. If you like to come like, they call them au pair, the people that come to take care of the baby. There are a lot of people from Mozambique, Thailand, even Georgia, Tbilisi, Georgia, all of them, many of them came through that way, through au pair, taking care of children. There's other way they call FSJ, we call it Efficiot, like J in Germany is like yacht. So people coming through that way, or BFD, Bundes Freiwillig, like it's just a voluntary work, which normally take place like 8 months, 1 year. After that one, you can be able to navigate your way. But normally you have to have a language of a B1, no, A2, like R2, we call it R2, or in your country before coming. So a lot of people come in different way, but the topic of this day remains about converting your tourist visa into a working visa. Is impossible here in Germany. It's impossible. Okay, I remain educated. Share this post. I love you guys. Bye. I'm not an immigration lawyer or whatever. I'm just trying to tell you the basic. Okay.